Good day, sir. My name is Iverson Girulion, BSAMT 3rd year. So, my topic for today is Maxwell diagram. What is Maxwell diagram? Maxwell diagram, it is a method of graphical analysis of external forces within the truss. It is a composite diagram which combine into one. All the separate forces, polygons for the individual joints of a truss, each representing the forces applied at the joint of the structure. When drawn to scale, the polygon represent both the direction and magnitude of the forces of each member. The graphical analysis. The graphical analysis was developed by the force polygon drawn to scale for each joint, and then the force of each member were measured from one of these force polygons. In order to draw the Maxwell diagram directly, here are the simple guidelines. Solve the reaction at the support by solving the equation of equilibrium for the entire truss. Move clockwise around the outside of the truss, draw the force polygon to scale for the entire truss. Take each joint in turn one by one, then draw a force polygon by treating successively joints acted upon by one only two unknown forces. Measure the magnitude of the force in each member from the diagram. So lastly, note that work proceed from one end of the truss to another as this used for checking the balance and connect to other end. So this is my sample problem. For the truss shown, determine the stress in member AC. The cross-sectional area of each member is 900 mm squared. For this problem, the value of reaction is predetermined. The value of roller at point A is 40 kN and the value of reaction of hinge at point H is equal to 60 kN. Para makuha ang value ng stress sa member AC, kailangan muna natin kuhanin ang internal force sa mga members na to. So, to determine the internal force to member AC, we can take joint A as a free body diagram. While taking a free body diagram of joint A, ilalagay natin ang lahat ng force na nag-act sa joint A. First, ay yung reaction due to a roller support at point A. So, 40 kN. So, lalagay din natin the internal force on member AB. So, i-denote natin as FAB. And the internal force on member AC. So, i-denote natin as FAC. To continue with our solution, kailangan natin ng angle or slope ng force AB. Para mas madali, slope triangle lang ang ating gagamitin. Ang member AB, so slope triangle lang ating gagamitin. So, ang AB ay mayroong horizontal distance na 4 meters at vertical distance na 3 meters at the length of hypotenuse side of this slope triangle is equals to 5. Next is by applying equation of statistic equilibrium, let's start by taking the summation of all forces vertical. Summation of all forces vertical is equals to 0. So, kukuhanin natin lahat ng pataas. Ang lahat ng pataas ay 40 kN. So, 40. Ima-minus naman natin lahat ng pababa. So, ang lahat ng pababa ay FAB. FAB. So, ma-minus na, ita-times natin siya sa 3/5 is equals to 0. So, arrange natin tong equation. So, by arranging this equation, FAB is equals to 40 times 5/3 equals to 0. So, the value of FAB is equals to 40 times 5/3 is equals to 66.6666667. So, kukuha lang natin ng 2 decimal. So, ira-round off natin 66.67. 66.67 kilonewton compression. So next, let's take the summation of all forces horizontal. Summation of forces horizontal is equals to 0. So FAC, so kukuhain muna natin lahat ng pakanan. So lahat ng pakanan ay FAC, i-minus natin siya sa pakaliwa. FAB 4/5 is equals to 0. So FAC, minus natin siya. So nakuha na natin ang FAB. FAB is equals to 66.67. Ita times natin siya sa 4/5 is equals to 0. So, FAC is equals to 66.67 times 4/5 equals to 53.336. So, 2 decimal, 53.34 kilonewton tension. So, ang hinahanap sa problem ay yung stress ng member AC, at para makuha yon, gagamitin natin ang formula, stress equal force over area. So, stress AC is equals to force AC over area AC is equals to, so nakuha na natin ang FAC, which is 53.34 So, para makuha na, para yung kilonewton, yung newton, para maging newton ang ating force, imumultiply natin siya sa 1,000 or lalagay natin ng times 10 cube. So, over given na yung area of the truss is 900 millimeter squared. So, ang ating final answer, AC is equals to 59.30 Newton over millimeter squared. So, ang Newton, millimeter squared is also equal to mega Pascal. Since the internal force of FAC is kilonewton in tension, therefore the stress in AC is also in tension. So this our final answer. Thank you for listening and God bless.